Hello students, welcome you all once again. In the previous class, we have learned about octahedral complexes or complexes of coordination number 6, which can be classified into two types. And the first type under that is inner orbital or low spin complex. Okay, so under these inner orbital complexes, we have learned one example, that is CrNH3 6 plus 3. Okay, we have also learned the electronic configuration and also the magnetic property. Okay, so hope you have learned and followed about that complex. In this class, now we will be learning second example under inner orbital or low spin complexes. The example which I have taken here is FeCN6 minus 4. Okay, the central metal is iron, that is Fe. If we observe the valency shell electronic configuration of Fe, whose atomic number is 26, it is 4s2 3d6. Okay students, the outermost shell electronic configuration of iron is 4s2 3d6. Taking this complex ion, Fe will be in +2 oxidation state. If you calculate the oxidation number of Fe in this complex ion, you will be getting it as +2. Therefore, we say Fe is in +2 oxidation state in the complex ion FeCN6 minus 4. Okay. Now, electronic configuration of Fe +2 will be 4s0 3d6. Okay students, electronic configuration of Fe +2 will be 4s0 3d6. Okay. So now what is happening? Fe +2 now has 4 vacant orbitals. What are they? 1 4s and 3 4p orbitals. Okay students. Now Fe +2 has 4 orbitals which are vacant. They are 1 4s and 3 4p orbitals. Understood students these points? But as we all know, in the presence of strong ligands, the electrons will be forced to pair up. Okay, so this already we have learned under the salient features of valence bond theory students. In the presence of strong ligands, the single electrons will be forced to pair up. So the electronic configuration of Fe +2 in the presence of a strong ligand Cn- will be as shown in the figure below. Okay. Okay students, understood? So the ligand in this complex ion is Cn-, which is a strong ligand. We have learned under the important features of VB theory that in the presence of strong ligands, the single electrons will be forced to pair up. Hence, the electronic configuration of Fe +2 in the presence of Cn- will be like this, as shown in the figure. Okay. Now, how many vacant orbitals are being formed because of that? 6 vacant orbitals are being formed. Okay. You can observe this in the figure. What are they students? 2 3d, 1 4s and 3 4p are formed. Okay. 6 vacant orbitals, that is 2 3d, 1 4s and 3 4p are being formed. So now these 6 orbitals, they get hybridized in order to form 6 d2sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay. So 2 3d, 1 4s and 3 4p orbitals. They get hybridized to produce 6 d2sp3 hybrid orbitals, and these are oriented in octahedral manner. Underline that point students. They are oriented in octahedral manner, and these orbitals, they can overlap with the completely filled atomic orbitals of 6 Cn- groups and form 6 sigma Fe-Cn bonds. Okay, so these can overlap with the completely filled atomic orbitals of 6 Cn- groups and form 6 sigma Fe-Cn bonds. Hence, the electronic configuration of Fe plus 2 in the complex ion FeCN6-4 is, you can observe the figure given below. Okay. So what are you observing here? 6 pairs of electrons, one from each Cn- ion, occupy 6 vacant hybrid orbitals. What is that you observe, students? 6 pairs of electrons, one from each cyanide ion, occupy 6 vacant hybrid orbitals. Okay. Am I clear, students? Fine. Next, if we observe the magnetic property of this complex ion, there are no free electrons. Okay. There are no unpaired electrons or there are no single electrons. Okay. Hence we say it exhibits diamagnetic behavior. What is diamagnetism, students? That means it is repelled by the external magnetic field as there are no free electrons. Okay. Since 3 inner d orbitals are involved in hybridization, it is called as inner orbital complex or low spin complex. Okay, students. What are involved in hybridization? Inner d orbitals are involved in hybridization and hence it is called as inner orbital complex or low spin complex. Okay. So write down the name of this complex ion as hexacyanoferrate 2 ion. Hexacyanoferrate 2 ion. Okay, students. So this is all about the electronic configuration and also the magnetic property and shape of FeCN6-4 complex ion. Okay. So write down all the points in your notebook and carefully read and practice about FeCN6-4 complex ion. Hope I am clear to you and made this topic easy to you, students. Okay. Thank you.